All right, everyone, let's talk about our WOW project planning. So what you're going to do first is you're going to grab this worksheet. It says WOW Art Project Planning. Put your name on it. And then number one, you're going to first plan your art. So the first question says, what is your big idea or theme for your art project? So that is, what do you want your art to be all about? What's the idea behind it? Think of a topic that the art is going to be about, whether it's about family or the environment or something that you're interested in. So think about what your theme is or big idea topic for your art. Then you're going to sketch a little plan for your art. Now, your sketch here does not have to be your final art. You don't have to spend a lot of time on this. Just kind of plan out how it's going to look with a quick sketch. Then number two says you're going to pick your resources. So what is a resource? Well, a resource is something that helps you make your art. And here are a couple options of resources you can pick from. You can go to the Art Resources website, which I'll show you in a second. You can find an image on Google. Maybe you need to see how to draw something or how something looks. A YouTube video. I can help you search for how to draw something or how to do a certain technique for art. A drawing book. We have lots of books in the art room. You can look at one of those if you need to see how to draw something. Or other. If you have a different idea, you can circle other and then write your answer here about what resource you're going to use. Let's take a look at the art website really quick. If you go to Google Classroom, there is an art resources website. So let's go to the specials page first in Google Classroom. And if you go to classwork, you will see under art, the first little resource there is Art Resources website. Click on that. It'll take you to a little website. Now, the Art Resources website is awesome because there's a whole bunch of projects or different art ideas that can help you create your project. So let's say you want to make a drawing, but you're not sure where to start. Click on the drawing tab on the top, and there are some sample drawing projects. You can see it says lower level, and then if you scroll down, it will say upper level. These are just more advanced projects and a little bit easier, simpler projects. So you can take a look at these, and if you see something that looks like something you like, what you can do is click on the project, and it'll take you to Google Slides, and you can take a look at the examples and see if any of these projects can help you. Oops, I actually think you have to click on this little thing right here. Okay, so click on the arrow on the top here. It'll take you to the slides. Yep, here we go. So you can see here, here's a little sample project, and this is making a Zentangle tree drawing using patterns. And there's some videos you can click on that will help you, drawing videos, different ideas of how to create your art. So there's a lot of resources here. Drawing, painting, mixed media, all the art supplies that we're going to learn this year. So take a look at this if you are stuck. Okay, let's go back to our WOW project planning. So you're going to pick your resources, and then you're going to flip to the back page. Okay, let's take a look at the back page. Now the back page is all about starting to create your plan. So number 3 says create your plan. And what you're going to do first is you're going to pick what art supply you are using for this plan. So it might be drawing, it might be painting, mixed media. It's up to you to figure out what art supply is best for you for this project. Okay, now after you've picked your art supply, I'm actually going to go here and zoom in here. Okay, so after you picked your art supply, you're going to circle it. Then you're going to go see me, and I'm going to check off your ideas. You're going to share them with me, and we're going to talk about them, and I'm going to give you a check mark so that you can go on. And then finally, before you actually start creating your plan, I want you to share your plan idea with a friend. So you're going to put your friend's name here. It could be anyone in the class that's available. And you're going to do something called tag. So they are going to tell you something they like about your art after you've shown them your ideas. Then they're going to ask you a question and give you some advice about your art. And this can help you maybe change your ideas and think about how to make it better. Okay, so you're gonna, once you've thought about your friend's ideas, check this off, and then you can start creating your art. The final part of this is Artsonia. That's when you finish your art. You're gonna upload it to Artsonia to show and display your art, but we don't need to worry about that yet. We'll follow the poster in the art room to see how to do that later when we finish our project. Okay, once you're ready to start creating your project, your planning sheet should be done front and back, and then you can go find the resources, the art tools, the paper in the art room that you need to create your project. All right, happy creating, friends.